The cost of finding a place to call home is going up. Rental rates and home prices are the highest they have ever been. Across the metro, people are now weighing where they can live with how much they can spend. So KCTV5's Leslie Aguilar joins us now from Prairie Village for a look at how the situation is there in Johnson County. Leslie?
Carolyn, right now this is a problem across the country, not just here in Johnson County and the Kansas City metro as a whole. But experts believe there could be some hope on the horizons and that there are things that local governments can do to help alleviate the problem. Buying a home is falling further out of reach for more and more people.
I think the most offers I've written for one set of buyers is probably 9 offers.
Realtor Ely Medina says sky-high home prices have caused bidding wars and a lot of disappointment for buyers in the last year, even driving some to just give up their search.
Unfortunately, a lot of times it is first-time buyers or veterans. The VA loans, a lot of times, are 0% down payment loans, and it is harder than ever for a veteran to get a house, not because they can't qualify, but because they can't compete.
But it's not just buying a house that's unaffordable for so many.
And I have seen rental rates skyrocket. And I'm not talking just in the hottest spots. I'm talking in the outskirts, places you never thought would explode.
The rising cost of housing started before the pandemic, but 2020 intensified the situation.
We know that in Johnson County, 40% of our renters are housing cost burden, which means they're paying more than 30% of their income in their housing cost. And almost 1 in 5 homeowners with a mortgage are housing cost burden.
Julie Brewer with the United Community Services of Johnson County says when housing costs are high, people are forced to make sacrifices in other areas of their budget.
The number one thing they took care of was their housing. The last thing they took care of, their health. So we know that there's a direct correlation between housing and health.
So the nonprofit teamed up with the county to commission a housing study and formulate a plan to help alleviate the problem. These 5 goals are being explained to all JoCo cities.
This is our best opportunity as a region, knowing that we're all impacted by this issue, to work collaboratively on what do solutions look like.
Now, the goals on that housing tip sheet for local governments include preserving existing housing, reducing other household expenses so that housing is more affordable, increasing the variety of housing, and incentivizing developers to build affordable housing. We're going to have that list and the study on our website, kctv5.com. Reporting live in Prairie Village, Leslie Aguilar, KCTV5 News.
Yeah, these are some wild times we're living through. Leslie, thank you for that.